Ka jingra khela lot kari India ka bahenyo phopra kalalong kasngi ka basa kanma bat ka bakmen ye ki pat ba jong ka West Jaintia Hills district haba umintri jong ka sorkar jilla u eti mondal ulapan bana pat ba ansa seng ye ka engineering college ka bathamai hajuai bat ha South Garo Hills district nalor ki polytechnic bathamai haribhoi district West Khasi Hills district East Garo Hills district bat South Garo Hills district Umondal ulapan benaya kani ha kajingkran jong u hamadan Jerusalem juai hadian ba ulapan her ya lama lai rong jong kari India ha kajingra khe ya 78 Independence Day kabalapan long da ka Borsenshire district jong ka West Jaintia Hills district Umondal ulapan te balashna hadu lai pratali ki Eklavia Model Residential School ha kaleng ka jilla kanang ban penduna ya kajingpap school shiteng por ki khna ki bahap deng ka kardan Henryo hadu khatar Ulapan tip ru badang shna thamma ya kajaka pule bathamma jong ka College of Science and Commerce ha Mahendraganj West Garo Hills but ha Mauplang East Khasi Hills district. Ulaya thu ru banalor kata la ajingarap sha ki Arkwetli ki People's College kat ba ka Shillong Government College of Engineering ka College of Architecture and Urban Planning ha Shillong but ki Model Degree College ha Patar Khma bat Rongjeng kilapan kre ban penklan ya ka jinghikai ha kalyang ka jingnang jingstad ha Meghalaya. Ulapan tibru baka Captain Williamson Sangma State University kalapan kre nakabanta ban sedang ya kajing puli kum ka school ba baningkong e jong ka jilla Meghalaya.
We have undertaken a phased upgradation of infrastructure in 2044 government schools under mission education with the aim of developing conducive learning spaces for children. These schools will be provided with uninterrupted power, clean drinking water and hygienic toilets. Digital libraries are being built in 750 locations to provide learning spaces outside built across the state to reduce the dropout rate among the students between class 6 and 12 standards. In the field of higher education, facilities at the Shora Government College in East Khasi Hills, Captain Williamson Sangma Government College in South Garo Hills and Williamnagar Government College in East Garo Hills have been upgraded to serve students from remote areas. College campuses in Shillong, Nongstoin and Titigila now have new buildings, hostels and library blocks. Additionally, brand-new aid are being provided to 21 people's colleges. The Shillong Government College of Engineering, the College of Architecture and Urban Planning, the Model Degree Colleges in Patakama and Rongjeng are poised to strengthen technical education in Meghalaya. We are also establishing new polytechnics in Riboi, West Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills and South Garo Hills district and new engineering colleges in Joai, West Jaintia Hills and Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills. Additionally, new colleges of science and commerce campuses are being developed at Mahendraganj, Southwest Garo Hills and Mauplang, East Khasi Hills. To ensure Meghalaya's students benefit from the latest curricular advancement, all NEHU-affiliated colleges have successfully implemented new education policy starting this academic year. Captain Williamson Sangma State University is ready for academic initiation as Meghalaya's first state university. Our government firmly believes in fostering excellence in sports as a means of empowering Meghalaya's youth. Through the STAR program, we have already discovered 11 exceptionally talented athletes from amongst 14,500 children. Another 10,000 children are currently playing screen under the program. It has been a rewarding year for our athletes. The Meghalaya boys football team won the gold medal at this year's Khelo India Games. The 5th Meghalaya Games held in Tura brought together more than 3,000 athletes from across the state who competed in 23 sporting disciplines. Meghalaya hosted the prestigious 133 Duran Cup. Our rupees 8,800 crores have been committed for development of the sports infrastructure. Iconic sports venues like Wahadiyar, Mardi Sport Complex at West Jaintia Hills and Path Ogan Nangmenja Sangma Athletic Stadium in West Garo Hills have already been inaugurated. The PS Sangma Sports Complex in Tura is also being upgraded with world-class facility. A proposed 20,000 capacity stadium at Maukhanu is poised to become the centerpiece of state infrastructure for the entire northeastern region. An estimated 70,000 Meghalayan join the workforce every year. To enhance their chances of securing quality employment, we aspire to train 1.2 lakh youngsters in marketable skills with the Skills Meghalaya initiative in the next 3 years. The first batch of trained nurses from Meghalaya secured employment last year in countries like Japan, Singapore, and United Kingdom. To strengthen Meghalaya's skilling ecosystem at every level, a world-class skills and innovation hub is planned at New Shillong Knowledge City. Proposal for a multi-sectoral skills park at Tura is also being finalized. We are strengthening the Meghalaya Identification and Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020 by introducing provision of compulsory police verification for registration of workers from other states. We are also enhancing the penalty in cases of non-compliance from ₹5,000 to ₹1 lakh and simple imprisonment of 2 to 3 months for repeat offenders. The payment for ecosystem services Green Meghalaya program has been a resounding success in protecting the estate's 76 forest cover. In less than 2 years, the program has supported almost 2,500 beneficiaries with over rupees 52.5 crores to conserve almost 56,000 hectares of forest land. We have also taken steps to coordinate the evacuation of our students studying here. An online registration platform is being introduced to ensure the availability of real-time data on Nagaland's studying and working abroad. Meghalayas state expenditure has more than doubled from rupees 10,967 crores to rupees 27,027 crores in the last 5 years as an outcome of improved governance, financial management, and efficient service delivery. Capital expenditure has alone grown 5-fold over this period. The income of Meghalaya's farmers continue to rise as a result of targeted intervention in cultivation and marketing of remunerative crops. More than 1.5 lakh households have benefited from the Mission Mode project in cultivation of Lakadan turmeric, mandarin, ginger, mushroom, and jackfruit. Newer initiatives like the State Organic Mission will bring 1 lakh hectares under certified organic cultivations. Floriculture Mission has been launched with an aim to making Meghalaya a major producer of exotic flowers. The recently announced CM Farm Plus initiative will provide farmers with planting materials and cash support to expand the area under cultivation of high-yield crops like fruits and spices. The state supply chain infrastructure has been strengthened with 166 primary processing units and more than 200 warehouses and cold storage. 25,000 cultivators and agro-entrepreneurs are currently able to store, process, and market their products through 11 operation prime hubs. Another 22 prime hubs are in various stages of development. The CM11 program has provided a massive impetus to Meghalaya's animal husbandry sector. About 20,000 livestock and poultry farmers have applied for bank-linked financial subsidies under the scheme. 3,000 dairy, poultry, and piggery enterprises will be supported this year under the scheme. Meghalaya's fish production capacity increased to 500 metric ton last year as an outcome of advanced fish culturing methods introduced under the Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission. More than 5 lakh households across Meghalaya have benefited from MGNREGS. In 2023-24 alone, almost 80,000 households have availed employment opportunities, earning a total of rupees 128 crore of wages. We have also collected almost 5 lakh women with income opportunities through 49,000 self-help groups formed under the National Rural Livelihood Mission. We have already built more than 73,000 new houses out of the targeted 1.8 lakh under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana program. The state government is committed to care for vulnerable social groups. More than 67,000 senior citizens, 37,000 single mothers, and 14,000 persons with disability are being supported with a monthly pension under the CMK program. Another 2,000 students with disabilities are being provided scholarships. To combat the challenges of substance abuse, a number of rehabilitation initiatives being undertaken under the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Access Mission. There are currently 6,162 Anganwadi centers across Meghalaya providing nutritional and developmental care to almost 4.5 lakh children and 65,000 pregnant and nursing mothers. Meghalaya's healthcare sector has witnessed a remarkable transformation. State expenditure on healthcare has almost doubled in the last 5 years. Meghalaya is now spending highest on healthcare compared to all other Indian states, with over 9% of the state's budget allocated to healthcare. This has resulted in a 47% drop in maternal deaths and 30% drop in infant mortality. This record drop is attributed to the Chief Minister's State Motherhood Scheme, which was launched in 2022. Efforts are being made to decentralize healthcare provision to the community level. More than 30 new sub-centers have been constructed this year alone, with another 100 scheduled for completion by April 2025. This will increase the total number of sub-centers from 460 to 610, which is the fastest increase in healthcare facilities in such a short span of time. We have also doubled the number of government health centers, provided ultrasound facilities in the state in the last 2 years. We introduced the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme with the aim to minimizing out-of-pocket expenditure on healthcare for our citizens. More than 19 lakh citizens have been registered under the scheme. The current fifth phase MHIH has been record number of claims.